Hi, first grade, Miss Wingard here. Today for our math warm-up, we are going to be doing skywriting. So we've done skywriting in foundations, but now we're going to be doing skywriting in math and writing our numbers instead of our letters. So I'd like you to go ahead and stand up. Remember, when we skywrite, we need plenty of space. We're going to have two fingers out straight as a pencil, and we're going to be writing our numbers in the air, okay? And we're going to be practicing 10 more and 10 less. So the first one says, write the number that is 10 more than 30. So in the air, go ahead and write the number that is 10 more than 30. And we'll go ahead and check. 10 more than 30 would be 40. So instead of having 3 tens, I'm going to add one more 10 and make it 4 tens. So this number is 40. Now with your number 40 in the air, go ahead and circle the digit in the tens place. So which digit is in the tens place? So we would circle the 4. There are 4 tens in 40. Great job. Let's go to the next one. This one says, write the number that is 10 less than 48. So write the number that is 10 less than 48. And let's go ahead and check. So instead of 48, we have 38. So instead of 4 tens, I'm going to take 1 10 away, and I'm left with 3 tens. Now in the number 38 in the air, go ahead and circle the digit in the tens place. Great job, first grade. I'm going to circle the 3 because we have 3 tens in the number 38. And finally, I'd like you to pick your favorite color. So choose your favorite color for this last skywrite. I would like you to go ahead and write the number that is 10 more than 105. So think about the number 105. Which number, go ahead and write it, is 10 more? I'm going to hold up the number 105, and instead of having 0 tens, I'm going to add a 10, and my answer is 115. So 115 is 10 more, or right below on the number grid, 105. So now with 115, go ahead and circle the digit in the tens place. Hundreds, tens, ones. I would circle 110 right in the middle. First grade, great job. Thank you for playing. We hope that you have a good day. Have fun. Bye.